Hi there, students. How are you today? I hope you're copacetic. Copacetic. Okay, this is a pure American word. This means fine, everything's great, everything's going well, everything's great, everything's cool. How are things? Copacetic. Yeah? This is definitely an Americanism. Yeah, it just means everything's all right, everything's fine, everything's going well. Um, Fine, excellent, perfect. Yeah, things are copacetic. Yeah, everything's absolutely copacetic. Um, I think if you use this word in British English, people are not going to understand it. Okay, but this is a word to say meaning that everything is great, everything is cool, everything is totally copacetic. Yeah, so yeah, how are things going? Copacetic, they're absolutely fine, everything's in order. Yeah, how are things going at school? Copacetic. How's your English improving? Absolutely copacetic. Yeah. Yeah, they're the most copacetic they've ever been. Yeah, fine, excellent, okay. Notice this word is, as I said, it's American. It's probably a bit old-fashioned as well. I'm not sure if Americans still use it, and I would be interested to find out from our counterparts over the pond whether this word is still used. But I get from what I see, it's something that's really gone out of style. Yeah, so maybe copacetic isn't so copacetic anymore. So formality. This is informal. This is probably like a 3 in formality. Yeah. Uh, how are you today? Cool. Yeah. Yeah. I can see this as a more old-fashioned version of the word cool. Yeah. You can use it just about anywhere. Um, okay. So very informal. Yeah. Probably a bit like great, brilliant, fine. Yeah, something like that. And then as to origin, well, we've got two different suggestions to origin. It might have been invented by an author called Irving Batchelor as the name of a character, yeah, in the 1920s. But alternatively, other sources say that it originated from African Americans in the southern US states, and certainly this word was popularized or helped to be popularized by Bojangles, who was Bill Robinson, who was dancer, actor, singer. Yeah, he was very popular in maybe the 20s. Yeah, maybe earlier than that, maybe 1910, something like that. Okay, so I hope everything's copacetic. I hope everything's cool. I hope everything's going well. And just remember, this is American. You can't use it in British English. Well, you can use it, but you'll have to explain it. So, I hope this has been a copacetic video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Copacetic.